Have you ever wondered how one simple word can have so many meanings? Today, let's explore the word mark, a tiny word with huge power. Mark, pronounced mark, is a versatile word in English. It is mainly used as a noun and a verb. As a noun, mark means a visible spot, line, or sign made on something. Imagine writing your name on a notebook. Your name leaves a mark. It can also mean a grade or score you get in school, like when your teacher gives you a mark of 90 out of 100. As a verb, mark means to make a visible sign or to notice something important. For example, you might mark a date on your calendar so you won't forget a special event. Let's look at some synonyms and antonyms for a mark. For the noun form, synonyms include spot, stain, score, grade. Antonyms would be clean surface, because a mark is a spot, the opposite is no spot at all. Blank. For the verb form, synonyms include highlight, notice, indicate. An antonym would be ignore. Here are a few example sentences to help you understand natural usage. She left a mark on the wall with her pencil. I got a good mark on my English test. Please mark the answers you think are correct. Can you mark the important points in the book? Using the word mark is simple but powerful. It helps you talk about signs, scores, and important things to notice. Keep learning with Thesaurus. Thrive and turn every word into a new adventure.